Drag is a performance art in which people dress in clothing and makeup associated with the opposite gender. It can be a way to express your gender identity, your creativity, or simply to have fun. Drag can also be a powerful tool for social activism and self-expression. There are many benefits to expressing yourself through drag and other performing arts. It can help you to explore your gender identity and expression, boost your confidence, connect with other people who share your interests, have fun and be creative, challenge gender stereotypes. If you are an MTF crossdresser who is interested in expressing yourself through drag and other performing arts, here are a few tips. Start by experimenting with different looks and styles. There is no right or wrong way to do drag. It's all about finding what makes you feel comfortable and confident. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they're first starting out. Just learn from your mistakes and keep practicing. Find a supportive community of drag performers and crossdressers. There are many online and in-person communities where you can connect with other people who share your interests. Most importantly, have fun. Drag is all about self-expression and creativity. Types of drag. There are many different types of drag, but some of the most common include female impersonation. This type of drag involves dressing and performing as a female character. King drag. This type of drag involves dressing and performing as a male character. Camp drag. This type of drag is often over the top and theatrical. Clown drag. This type of drag is often humorous and involves wearing clown makeup and costumes. Glamour drag. This type of drag is often glamorous and involves wearing high-fashion clothing and makeup. How to create a drag persona. Once you have decided what type of drag you want to do, it's time to start creating your drag persona. This includes choosing a name, developing your character, and creating your look. When choosing a name, think about something that is creative, unique, and memorable. You may want to choose a name that reflects your drag persona or your personal style. Developing your character is all about creating a unique and believable persona. Think about your character's personality, backstory, and motivations. What are their likes and dislikes? What do they want to achieve with their drag? Creating your look is all about expressing yourself through fashion and makeup. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and trends. The most important thing is to find a look that makes you feel confident and beautiful. Drag makeup. Start with a clean face and apply a primer. This will help your makeup to last longer. Apply a foundation that is one shade lighter than your natural skin tone. This will help to create a flawless canvas. Use a concealer to cover any blemishes or dark circles. Set your foundation and concealer with a powder. Contour your face to create a more sculpted look. Apply eyeshadow in bold and vibrant colors. Use eyeliner to create a dramatic wing or cat eye. Apply mascara to thicken and lengthen your lashes. Finish your look with a bold lipstick. Drag hair. Drag hair is often big, bold, and glamorous. Here are a few tips for styling drag hair. Wigs are a popular choice for drag queens. They come in a variety of styles and colors, so you can find the perfect one to match your look. Weaves are another option for drag queens. They can be used to add length, volume, or color to your hair. If you are styling your own hair, use products that will hold your style in place. You may also want to use heat protectant spray to protect your hair from damage. Drag fashion. Drag fashion is all about expressing yourself through clothing. There are no rules when it comes to drag fashion. You can wear whatever makes you feel confident and beautiful. Here are a few tips for choosing drag clothes. Look for clothes that are flattering to your figure. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and trends. Don't be afraid to show some skin. If you are new to drag, you may want to start with a few key pieces, such as a dress, a skirt, and a pair of heels. You can always add more pieces to your wardrobe as you become more comfortable with your drag persona. Performing drag. Once you have created your drag persona and look, it's time to start performing. Here are a few tips for performing drag. Choose a performance style that suits you. Some drag queens lip-sync to popular songs, while others perform original routines. Create a routine that is entertaining and engaging. Include a variety of elements, such as lip-syncing, dancing, and comedy. Practice your routine until you are confident in your performance. Relax and have fun. Drag is all about self-expression and creativity. Other performing arts for MTF crossdressers. In addition to drag, there are many other performing arts that MTF crossdressers can enjoy. These include acting. Acting can be a great way to express your gender identity and creativity. There are many roles available for MTF crossdressers in both stage and screen productions. Singing. Singing can be another great way to express yourself and connect with others. There are many MTF crossdressers who are successful singers. Dancing. Dancing is a great way to stay active and express yourself creatively. There are many different types of dance that MTF crossdressers can enjoy, such as ballet, jazz, and hip-hop. Modeling. Modeling can be a great way to showcase your beauty and confidence. There are many MTF crossdressers who are successful models. MTF crossdressing tips for beginners. If you are new to MTF crossdressing, here are a few tips. Start small. Don't feel like you need to have everything perfect right away. Start with a few key pieces of clothing and makeup, and experiment with different looks. Experiment with different styles and trends. There is no right or wrong way to do drag. It's all about finding what makes you feel comfortable and confident. Find a supportive community of drag performers and crossdressers. There are many online and in-person communities where you can connect with other people who share your interests. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they're first starting out. Just learn from your mistakes and keep practicing. Most importantly, have fun. Drag is all about self-expression and creativity. Drag and other performing arts can be a great way for MTF crossdressers to express themselves, boost their confidence, and connect with others. If you are interested in getting involved in drag or other performing arts, here are a few tips. Start by experimenting with different looks and styles. Find a supportive community of drag performers and crossdressers. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Most importantly, have fun. We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.